Hi, this is Kevin from stickerboy.net. Today I'm going to show you how to get folds, wrinkles, and creases out of your iPad 2 skin. And you can see the quality of our film. We're going to show it by our anthracite silver leather. And so far this looks like it's ready to go in the garbage, but we'll bring it back to its original shape. And use a household hairdryer about 8 to 12 inches away. As you heat, you can see the film is starting to soften up. Best thing to do is start from the middle and push out towards the edges. Now there are times you want to let it cool a little bit, because as it cools, that's when it starts to take its shape. And I'm lifting it up there so we can channel some of the air out. As you can see, we're pushing it out towards the edges. Okay, the left side is almost finished. I'm just going to let it cool down again and lift the area that I want to work with, just so that as you're pushing, it's easier for the air to escape out. Let's heat it up again. Okay, we're almost finished. And as you see, the original left side where the camera and the speaker is, the wrinkles are not coming back, because as it cooled, that's the shape that it took. So that's why this is an amazing film to use on the iPad 2 for the round contours and curves. Okay, we're almost finished. Okay, as you heat it, you can slowly push it out. It's almost finished, and there we are finished. And we have over 40 different films they could choose from. And hopefully every month we will release 2 to 3 additional films. Thank you.